DAVEN and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As the title says, I will be doing NCT Dream MV Marathon. Yay! I'm freaking excited to do this. This is my part 1 of my NCT Dream MV Marathon. I decided to react on 3 songs only of NCT Dream due to my channel traffic reasons. As you all know, I'm a small new YouTuber, so I need to maximize my channel capacity. Oh my goodness, I hope that you understand what I'm saying right now. Anyways, it doesn't mean that I am compromising NCT, okay? As you all know, I am very curious about them. I freaking love these boys. Let's forget what did I say earlier. Okay, before I react to these songs, music videos, I would like to say thank you to those who responded my favor to comment down the names or the titles of NCT Dream songs that you want me to react. So thank you so much. So here you are. Kamsahamnida. Okay, without further ado, let's start this MV marathon. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're a huge fan of NCT, hit the subscribe button now because I do lots of NCT reactions here. Okay, let's jump into the first video. And the first song is Chewing Gum. Who is this on the thumbnail? Okay, this is Jeno. Hi Jeno, start. Oh, chewing gum. Oh bitch, I already know the song. Yes! Oh! Oh my lord. Oh! They are so young here. Jenna is so handsome. Yes. Oh! I'm sorry guys. Ah! I cannot take this cuteness. I am sorry again. Ooh, that's Chenla. Chenla is so young there. They are so cute and adorable. Okay, I need to shut up. Chewing gum. Oh, this is a hype song. It sounds so bubbly and aggressive. Chewing gum, chewing gum, bitch, NCT and I are in sync. I already know the song. I am so loud right now, guys. Okay, obviously, this music video gives me a very vibrant youth feeling. And that's their purpose. Oh! The dance is very cool. Ah! Daejun! Oh! There's a kid here. There are kiddos. Oh, okay. So this video is about chewing gum. Of course, there's something deeper meaning about what's going on right now. I love the face of the professor. Is that a professor of them? Chewing gum. They are like in a boarding school. Oh my lord. You are naughty boys. Yes! I know this is coming. Oh, yes. Woo. I freaking adore Mark. Ooh. He's my new obsession rapper right now. Whew. Oh my lord. Chewing gum. Okay. I love the melody of the song. Chewing gum. Chew. I love this part. Ah! Yes, Jisung. Show your dancing skills, boy. Chewing. How many members in NCT Dream? 7 members. This is the complete members of NCT Dream, right? Oh my lord. What did I just watch? I keep on laughing throughout the video. I am sorry. Obviously, I really enjoyed that music video. I freaking adore the melody of the song. Chewing gum. That's my favorite part. Okay, let's be serious at this time. This is a very colorful music video. As what I said earlier, there are lots of youthful vibes and cheesy moments. The melody, the beats of the song are very addicting. Therefore, this is an addictive pop song. Obviously, this is a teen pleasure song, so I freaking love it. This is a very good debut track because SM achieved their purpose of introducing these boys as teen pop-oriented group. Okay, I think the cons or the downside of this track of them chewing gum, it doesn't showcase their vocal capabilities because I know Haechan is a very great vocalist. Okay, that's what I thought. I think the most stood out members here are Mark and Jisung. The rapping of Mark is highly commendable, and how Jisung projects to the camera, it's absolutely magnificent. I freaking adore this voice. Okay, I think that will be all for chewing gum. So let's move on to the next song. The next song is Go. Oh my god, the next is We Go Up. Chewing gum, go, we go up. I think there are some connections. I don't know. Let's see. Oh. No way. Oh my lord, this is different from chewing gum. Oh! No way. Bitch, they are like young EXO now. Oh, I love that. Bitch, the tempo is killing me right now. That's the voice of Chenle. Wow. I'm speechless. I didn't see this coming. Bitch, shout vocals. Perfect shout vocals. My heart beats so fast right now. Oh! Ah! Na na na. I love that. Na 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 na. Ah! Na 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 na. Who is singing right now? I think it's Haechan. Oh! Oh! I am surprised with Chenle's vocals. Oh! Haechan is the superstar here. Oh! Jaemin is rapping! No way! Genital. I am shocked. Yes! This is a suspense song. I love the build-up of the melodies. I freaking adore this. Ah! Oh. Jaemin looks so big here. Bitch, there are no longer kids here. When this published? Oh, they're growing now. Oh. Yes, Mark. Guys, I feel so weird right now. I don't know why. Because I'm expecting another, you know, bubbly, youthful vibe. The same that I feel on chewing gum. But this is different. Ah! Who is that showing their vocal skills? All of them, my goodness. Go! I don't know why I feel so awkward now. I love that. Go. Oh, bitch. I want more. Okay, let's resume from the start. Okay. I'm sorry guys, I need to repeat again. I can see them like EXO. Oh my god, a young EXO. Ah! Haechan got a unique voice. Ah! I ship them, Jeno and Haechan. Ah! I am shocked with the rapping of Jaemin. Oh! Oh! I'm dying with Chanless vocals. I want to hear the voice of Renjun. I didn't see Renjun, my god. Is Renjun here? Okay, this is Jesung. This is a very heavy hip-hop song. Yes! Ah! Jaemin is a very good dancer. I want Renjun. I didn't see Renjun, my god, I'm sorry guys. Everything happens so fast. Renjun, yes. Peanut and butter for the vocals of Chanla and Haechan. Ah! I know, this is Haechan, yes! Bitch. Oh! Yes! Guys, Jaemin and Jen's rap is highly commendable. Oh! Duh! Na 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 Yes, boys! They're very hot here. Jaemin's shoulder here is so huge, okay? There are no longer kids here, as what I said earlier. Oh. Mark is so handsome here. He looks so mature. I think this is a very recent video of them. Haechan's voice. Oh. Na 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 na. Guys, as what I said earlier, oh my god, I keep on saying it, Haechan is a superstar. Ah! This is a very addicting song. Go! I am happy for them, my god. Yes! I love that. Oh. I'm dead, guys. I'm already dead. This is my soul right now. You are watching right now. Okay, I think I already say everything earlier. My god. This is a very heavy hip-hop song of them. I'm totally blown away. I don't know if you will be angry to me if I will compare them as young EXO, okay? Even though they are on the same company, I know NCT is different from EXO in terms of their choice of music, but I don't know why, but I see them like EXO there. Maybe because they are growing at that time. They are already grown up. I freaking adore this. I freaking adore this. Na na na, it's very addicting. Their NCT chewing gum is also very addictive teen pleasure song. This one is very addictive hip-hop heavy song. My goodness, heavy hip-hop song. See guys, I'm stuttering right now. Okay, let's move on guys. Let's move on. Next is NCT We Go Up. go, then we go up. So maybe this is another trendy song of them, We Go Up. Before we start, I love the pictures of the boys here. I love the thumbnail. Oh, we go up. Oh, that's a cheetah or a tiger. Cheetah. I think this is a cheetah figure on the black flag. Okay, let's start this obsession. I am ready. I am ready to be shocked. Another trendy hip-hop song. Yes. Oh my lord. I'm dying with these revelations. Oh! Yes, Mark. I love that slow-mo effect. Oh. What can I say right now? Who is singing right now? Hey, Chan la. Ah! I'm in love with Chanla's vocals. Yeah. Okay, I need to shut up. Yes! You go up, boys. I'm with you. I will support you. Oh. This is a very energetic song. Very catchy. Every moment, every lyrics are very catchy. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm just enjoying the song right now. Yes! Jamin is so hot. Woo! Yes, boy. Chanla again. Vocals, vocals, vocals. Oh, Renjun finally. Yes, boy. So, we go. This is like the vibes are like combination of their chewing gum and their go. Oh my lord, oh my god, I'm literally out of words right now. Oh, there are lots of Mark moments here. Mark is the superstar here. Oh, see? There are many shots of Mark here. Oh! Yes, baby boy, Mark. Why I suddenly feel emotional. Oh, oh, oh. I think this is my favorite. I love the chewing gum. I love the go. But I feel like I am connected with this song. Okay, bitch. Replay. Okay, you can skip to my thoughts. I need to repeat this. Ah! Yes. 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 Do slow. Do fast. Oh. I thought they are the cute ones of the NCT group. Bitch, no. They are like, you know, NCT U. They are like also NCT 127. Aside, they are very young. Their hip-hop styles are the same with NCT U and NCT Dream. Ah. I am jealous with Haechan's vocals. Go up, 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 up. We go up, up, up. I will download this song, bitch. After this, I will download all the songs of them, okay? But I will download this first. Oh. Jenna is a good rapper. Oh my god, guys. I'm dying right now. I am dying. You need to call the doctor now. Oh! Jamin is so hot. Ah. Hi, baby Renjun. We go up, up, up. We go up, 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 up. See, it's very catchy. I can remember this. We go up, up, up. Fireworks. Someone is leaving. Oh, oh my lord. Oh, I suddenly feel emotional. I think I get the idea right now. Mark is leaving NCT Dream. Because I told you, you told me, oh my god, you told me before that Mark just recently graduated from NCT Dream. I'm about to cry. Yeah, did you see the shot earlier? Mark is grabbing the ball and looking to other members and about to leave the room. Bitch, I need to go to the hospital now. I'm dying with this. Earlier, I cannot express myself with this thought of mine. This song of them, We Go Up, is like a combination of their vibes from chewing gum and the hip-hop style, the swag from Go song of them. Let's talk about this song. It's very catchy. It's very suspense. My goodness, I love the build-up of the song. Just like the same build-up that I've heard on their Go song. Oh my god, I need to drink water. I love the energies that's showing by the boys in this music video. I just realized earlier that this is like a send-off song or the last song of Mark under NCT Dream. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Let me know if I am correct on the comment section or I'm just paranoid. Okay. I think that will be all. My god. Okay, that's a wrap for my NCT Dream MV Marathon Part 1. And I hope that you love my reaction even though I keep on shouting. I am so loud on this MV Marathon. And see you on my next MV Marathon for NCT Dream. But before that, see you tomorrow for my NCT Live reaction. If you love my reaction, please like this video. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button now because I do lots of NCT reaction videos here. And see you tomorrow for my NCT Live. Annyeong!